Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Japanese Yen, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of NZD in front of us right now, and as you can see that the chart is not that beautiful and simple. If we just observe the chart here, then we do not get a clear picture. If I ask you, just observe the chart and tell me what do you think about the chart, then easily we can see that there is no proper trend here. This is a choppy market, this is a sideways market. If you look at the overall chart here, and if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then we can see that overall the chart is very confusing, messy. Okay, but if we just focus on this particular portion, then we can see that this market is in uptrend right now, or kind of bullish. Okay, kind of. I'll not say that very much bullish or heavily bullish, but yes, it looks like that market is bullish right now because market is forming lower highs here, sorry, higher lows here. Higher lows here. Therefore this market is kind of bullish right now. Overall the chart is kind of messy here, so let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of NZDUSD. Okay, let's try to understand each and everything in detail, then we'll be jumping to the strategy. Clear? So let's get started. So one thing is clear, that this market is choppy market, so we do not have any proper trend here. Okay. And in a market condition like this, we get opportunities, selling opportunities at the resistance, and we also get buying opportunities at the support. Generally, if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. But in a choppy market or sideways market, the area of value or the base trading opportunity is available both the side, at the resistance also, at the support also. Therefore, this being the resistance, we can short the market here, and we can also take a buy at this particular portion here, because this is the support here. But right now we will not be discussing about this resistance level, because this resistance level is quite far away from the current market price. Therefore this resistance level is no longer required for us. So what we need here is that first and foremost we need to focus on this trend line, and this particular support here. So first of all, let's try to understand this level 0.6920, because this is the most important level for the NZD USD chart, and the most important support also. And if you do not have this line in your trading platform or charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, because this line is extremely important. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that when there was a sharp fall in the market, this was the level that provided support. You can see that whenever market faced selling pressure from above, this is the level that provided support to the market, and therefore this is a valid support. In case there is a sharp fall in the market or a heavy sell-off in the market, then we can hope that 0.6920 will be the level that will provide the required support to the market. Therefore this is the most important support for NZDUSD. But right now you can see that current market price is here and the support is here, quite far away. So here you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. If you have watched my previous video, yesterday's video, then you can recognize this line. We were hoping that market will be bouncing from here. Honestly speaking, we were hoping that market will be bouncing from here. But one thing was certain, or we know it very well, that okay, these trend lines are not that strong in comparison to support levels like this. Okay, that's why I always say that you should wait for the confirmation. If you remember correctly, I clearly mentioned that do not buy at the trend line until and unless you see a hammer pattern or a green candle like this. I clearly mentioned that. That's why I clearly always mentioned that you should always wait for the confirmation. Thank God you have not click on the buy button. Anyways, right now you can see that market is trading below this trend line, and market is kind of trying also, okay, trying also to recover. Okay, so still we do not have a clear picture whether market will be respecting this trend line as a support or not. Still we do not have a clear picture. Okay, so my dear friends, okay, one thing is certain that this is a valid support. Therefore I'll request you, okay, wait for some time and wait for the market either to come down, okay, either to come down and take support here and bounce. When market will bounce, you can go for buy. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if market goes up from here after a couple of hours, if you see market trading above this trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting this trend line as a dynamic support, and you can go for a buy here. Just keep in mind that you need a good closure. Okay, at least when you see the market is trading above this trend line, at least wait for the closing of the candle. Once the candle closes successfully above this trend line, then only go for a buy. So this is your first buy level, this support level, this being the most safe trading opportunity. And second trading opportunity is if market goes up from here and starts trading above this trend line, you can also go for a buy here. So this is your trading opportunity number one, this is your trading opportunity number two. And if we go to the forex sentiment meter here, you will find the forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. In the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 47 retail traders have taken short position and 52% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also kind of confused. They are also in dilemma. They are not sure whether the market will be going up or going down. Because in currency pairs like USD CHF, they have 72% traders have taken short position and only 27% have taken long position. But NZD USD, you can see that there is a confusion going on. There is a dilemma. They are also not sure whether the market will be going up or down. And recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program where I'll be sharing my analysis, regular market analysis every week, and I'll be sharing the best currency pairs that are in the best position to trade. Okay. So you'll get all the information here, and if you want to see a sample of the report, then you just click on the button here, then a sample will start downloading and it looks like something like this. Okay. So the price is also very cheap. I have just kept it $15 per month so that everyone can afford. Okay. So this is all about the NZD USD chart. Hopefully you've understood what you need to do right now. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.